As a new immigrant here in the US, there's just a lot of things that I miss about my home country, that is the Philippines. So today, I'm going to dish out 5 features of Philippine neighborhoods that I wish were present here in the US. Let's begin with number 1, sari-sari stores. I miss going to a nearby sari-sari store. But what it is, basically, it's a mini store, like a mini grocery where they don't have a lot of stocks, just enough stocks for people who would most likely buy within the neighborhood. And they actually sell these in eaches or in pieces. Dito kasi sa Amerika, kailangan mo po mag-drive sa nearest grocery para lang bumili ng isang botelya ng soy sauce. Napaka-inconvenient. Unlike, pupunta ka lang sa sari-sari store, maglalakad ka, tapos makakabili ka na ng, usually, di ba, nakapack pa yung mga soy sauce natin. Alright, number 2, I miss carinderias. Or in English, I think it's an eatery, It's like a mini restaurant. And the main feature of it is that basically what they sell are home-cooked meals that are filling and very affordable. So kung tinatamad kang magluto, ipunta ka na lang kay Aling Nena tapos bumili ka na ng dinuguan, isang bowl ng dinuguan. Tapos ibabalot pa nila sa plastic, di ba? Kakamiss yun kasi ang mura lang, hindi ka pa napagod, busog ka pa. Number 3, I miss the tricycles and the jeepneys. To be honest, we don't have the best transportation system in the Philippines, but having tricycles and jeepneys within the neighborhoods, it makes life more, it makes life more convenient. It's so easy to go from one city into another with a tricycle or a jeepney. Dito walang ganun, kailangan mo laging mag-drive, 'di ba? Tapos may maintenance pa yung kotse o may insurance. So, definitely mas mahal. Now, number 4, I miss outdoor kitchens. Here in the US, I think you would hardly find houses that have outdoor kitchens. In the Philippines, it's the norm. So, kung may asawa kang ayaw ng mga tuyo, ng mga stinky na pinirito, ang hirap niyan pagka wala kang outdoor kitchen. Number 5, one of the best features of our neighborhoods in the Philippines is basically the people. People are very friendly, they treat you like family, and whether there is an occasion or, just a typical day, sometimes magbibigay yan ng prutas, ng pagkain, 'di ba? Parang nakakamiss yung ganon. And basically, I just miss the Philippines and the neighborhood. Bye for now.